Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make NFT digital art from images. This way you can convert your images into NFT digital art and then you can sell those NFT designs on NFT marketplaces like Opensea or Rarible to make good amount of money. So let's get started. First open browser, it could be Chrome or Firefox. Now go to deepdreamgenerator.com website. I will provide the link in the description section. So this is the website that we are going to use to convert our images into NFT designs. With this website, you can create deep style, thin style, and deep dream style designs. So the very first thing you need to do is to sign up. Just click on sign up button at the top. And on the next screen, you need to enter name, email, password. You need to re-enter the password and then just click on the sign up button. When you enter all the details and click on sign up button, you will get the email. You will get the email with the link. Just click on the link in the email to complete the sign up process. I have already created the account, so I will just log into my account. Now we are on the website homepage. Just click on the generate button at the top. And on the next screen, you will find three stages. Choose base image, choose style image, and the third one generate. Now click on choose base image button. And this will open the file selection window wherein you can upload the files from your computer. You can even use the images from websites like Pexels, Unsplash or Pixabay. These are the websites where you can get high quality, copyright free images for completely free. And the best part is you can even use those images for commercial purpose without giving credits to the creator. Now I have downloaded two images, one for base image and other one for the image style. And now we are going to upload these two images to our website. So click on upload files button and then select the base image. Now the file has been uploaded. Just select the image and then click on choose style image, wherein we are going to upload another image for style. So I will select the another image which I have downloaded for image style. Now the file is uploading. Once the file gets uploaded, just select the file. And the other way is you can select one of the default or popular styles. So here you don't need to upload the image style. So you can actually use the predefined styles which are already given on the website. Next part is settings. So as per requirement, you can tweak those settings where you can change the resolution, you can change the style weight, style scale, as well as you can change the AI enhance. But for now, I am going to keep the settings as it is. And the last step is just to click on generate button. So I'm going to click on generate button so that our NFT digital art will be generated. It will take around 1 minute or two and then your design will be ready. So just wait for the design to get generated. So as you can see, we have successfully created our design. And this design we can sell as the NFT digital art and make money. So simply click on this folder icon at the top and then click on result folder. Here you will find your converted image. Just select the image and then click on download button. Just download the file to your computer and you are done. It's that simple to generate the NFT art. You can even subscribe to their paid plans to upgrade computer energy uses, which is consumed every time when you create a design. This is completely optional and you can check their plans and then you can decide on that. So that was all about how to make NFT digital art from images. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.